So today I am going to be doing an unboxing of a few seeds that I got in the mail. All right, so first I am going to open the seed swap that I joined. It wasn't that big of a seed swap exchange. It was only for 25 seeds. Basically what you do is you send 25 containers or mini packages of seeds, and then you get 25 back. What did you get back? Well, it's kind of like a surprise. So, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. I don't even know where to start. All right, so I got Lebanese squash. Isn't that so cute? I have calendula, yes, calendula. Sugar kiss muskmelon. Ooh, my goodness. If you guys have any tips for me about some of the seeds that I'm getting. Ooh, what is this? Cowpeas, California, black eye. Oh man, look at the fancy packaging. Instructions and information. Oh, winter squash, butternut, yes. I love butternuts. I'm going to go as quickly as I can, so this is not like a half an hour video. Radishes from Baker Creek. I mean, from the Grateful Gardener. Look at that. Whole beans. So cute. I really enjoy when people put their information on the package. That way, when I'm when I'm trying this, I know where it's coming from, who sent it to me. Oh, look at this. Isn't that cute? And look, so fancy. So these ones are Cherokee Trail of Terrace bean. This is a pole bean. Nice. Oh, look at this. This is like handmade envelope. It's cute. This is a loofah. Oh, this is an old Italian. Can you see it? Old Italian tomato. Oh, look at the seeds. So this is kale, lacinato kale. Isn't this so cute? It's kind of make me feel like I should have paid more attention about my own packaging. I just sent like little plastic bags. Ooh. These are cute. This person just wrote it here with a Sharpie, which is basically what I did. No shame in that. Oh, pumpkin triple treat. Look at that. Sesame tin kingoma. What is that? I'm gonna have to Google that. This is a tropical. Oh, this is cute. It's like a personal note there. Marigolds, yes. Cottage red from the garden. Oh, I can't really read that very well. Cranberry beans. Ooh. Lunaria money plant. Oh, I'm gonna try that. This is a pole bean. Triunfo Violetto. This is like an Italian name. Oh, this might be coming from the same person. No. German chamomile. Pack for 2021. Seeds from Good Growth Gardening. Oh my. So excited about these. This is a carrot, yes. Malabar squash. Oh, look at the packaging on these. Not right now. And this is Rudbeckia, yellow and dark red. This is from Tiffany. Oh, beautiful handwriting. This is a dill bouquet. I love that. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? Grand bell pepper mix. Oh, I wonder if these are sweet peppers. Do you guys have any experience with these seeds that I'm getting here? Please let me know in the comments. Oh, I have heard of this tomato. Golden Jubilee. Nicotiana. Woohoo! It doesn't say who sent it, so thank you if you sent me this package. Oh no, more kale going away. And I have Long Island Brussels sprouts. Oh yes. I wonder if it's too late now to try them on for spring. Oh, this is a pumpkin. So that was all I got from my seed swap. I am very happy, you guys. I got flowers, I got vegetables, I got pumpkins. I am really excited. I'm gonna have to try quite a few of these for this year. So my friend Brad from Garden Evolution was kind enough to send me some seeds. And I kind of feel bad because he sent me a few seeds first about last month, and they got lost in the mail, and he sent me a bunch more. Oh my gosh, look at that. Where do I start? Celosia. Oh, amaranth. Love Lies Bleeding. Oh, I definitely gonna try that, Brad. Ooh, Mornicotiana. Cardoon. Hope you have room. I don't have any more room. Are you kidding me? I have so many seeds. But thank you. Ooh, Cinderella. Zinnia Mix. Tropical Milkweed. What? I am getting ready to start milkweed this week. So, Cosmea Lucifer. I have some of these already in my garden. They're perennial and I love them. Thank you. Candelabra Primed Rose. I will winter sow this. Okay. Thank you for adding that note, because otherwise I'll be like, I don't know. Name sport. Oh. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Ooh, these are, oh. Okay. About a month ago, I was telling him that I was looking for some straw flowers, and look what he sent. Oh, thank you, Brad. Oh, beautiful. And these are bachelor buttons. Ruby Eclipse Sunflower. Right there, the name, Ruby Eclipse. I don't even know if it's a red or orange or what color it is, but the name is making me want to put them outside already. Chinese Forget-Me-Nots. Alchemilla. I know I am saying most of these names wrong, and that's okay. Heliopsis, Burning Hearts. My goodness, some of these I'm gonna have to Google because I have no idea. Purple Annual Dianthus. Ooh. Wow. I have so many seeds, you guys. Thank you so much, Brad, for sending me all of these. And thank you for the people that participated in the 25 seed swap. I am very happy with what I got from the seed swap. I was a little worried that, you know, what I was going to get, but my goodness, I got some really good stuff here. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to make it. I just wanted to record what I had gotten from the swap and from what my friend sent me. Thank you so much. Let me know what you think. If you have any comments from any of the seeds that you see here, let me know, because I will definitely appreciate all of the help. So thank you for being here, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and until the next one.